and Rolly too. Lofty and Wendy join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Don't forget your toolbox, Bob. You won't be able to put up the signpost without it.
Oh, thanks, Wendy. Careful, Dizzy. Rolly and Muck were working late last night. They need to sleep.
Whoops. Sorry, Bob.
It's time we left. Let's go, team.
Oh, my legs ache. I've been standing on them all morning.
But it's only breakfast time.
Yes, but being a scarecrow is very, very hard work. Standing in a field all day isn't as easy as you think you'd...
Oh. Nice one, Spud.
Right, that's it. I'm going to get a new job. I want to do something easier than being a scarecrow.
Like what, Spud?
I know. I could be a racing car driver. That would be easy. Or maybe I could be a pilot.
But you can't drive or fly a plane.
I could learn.
Look out, Spud!
Spud, you know you shouldn't play near roads.
Yes, Bob. Sorry, Bob.
Can you go and tell Farmer Pickles I won't be able to fix the window frames in the old cottage until tomorrow?
Okay, Bob. Spud's on the job, Bob.
Thanks, Spud. Right, we've got to get moving, team. Let's go.
Can we fix it? Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, look, Travis. Bob's toolbox.
Oh.
Forget Spud the Scarecrow. From now on, I'm Spud the Spanner.
Oh, Spud the Spanner, eh?
That's right. I'm going to be a builder, just like Bob. And the first thing I'm going to fix with my new toolbox is that gate.
Right then. Scoop, my toolbox has gone.
Oh, no! It must have dropped out on the journey.
I hope you're right, Scoop. My best spanner was in it. Lofty, can you go and look for it?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Thanks, Lofty.
Well, Travis, what do you think?
It looks a bit wobbly to me, Spud.
It's meant to look like that.
Oh, is it?
This building stuff is easy. I wonder what else I can find to fix. I know. The window frames in the old cottage.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Right. I've got my toolbox and, yes, my machine. Travis?
Ho. Not me, Spud. I'm off. Farmer Pickles wants me to plough a field. Bye.
Travis! Travis! You don't know what you're missing. Hello, Lofty. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm looking for Bob's toolbox.
Is, this it, Lofty?
Oh, yes. Oh, can I have it, please?
Yes. If you help me with a bit of building first,
Oh,
it'll help Bob out.
okay then.
Hooray! I've got a machine. Now I'm a proper builder. Lofty and Spud are on the job.
Are we?
Hello? Bob's building yard? Oh, hello, Bob. Oh, you've lost your toolbox. Righto, Bob. I'll send Muck with a spare one straight away. Bye.
Don't stop, Muck. We've got to go and fix the window frames in the old cottage.
Hey, just a minute. That was Bob's toolbox Lofty was carrying. Oh, no. Better tell Bob.
This doesn't look too hard to fix, does it, Lofty?
Oh, well,
I'll start with fixing the door.
I can't look.
Bob, I've just seen Spud and Lofty, and he had your...
Slow down, Mark. I can't understand what you're saying.
Spud's got your lost toolbox. He's on his way to fix the old cottage with Lofty.
Oh, no. We'd better stop Spud before he hurts himself. Let's go, team.
Ow! Not again. Not a bad job, Spud the Spanner.
Yeah, but all the windows, they're crooked.
That's how they're supposed to look. Anyway, we've got another job to do.
Oh, have we?
One of the barns has a bit of roof missing, and we're going to fix it. Lofty and Spud are on the job.
Oh, no! What a mess! I think we'd better put the window frames in properly before they fall out. I wonder if there's anything else that needs to be fixed here. Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, this is exciting. I've never fixed the roof before.
Oh, be careful, Spud.
Don't worry, this is a job for Spud the Spanner. Right. Where's my hammer? Oh, no. I must have left it on the ground. Oh. Oh.
Oh, what shall I do? I don't know. Maybe I should follow him.
Almost finished the door. We can make a start on the windows next.
Okay, Bob.
What's that in the sky?
Wow! It looks like a flying spud!
You're right. He's heading straight for us. Nice landing, Spud.
Hello, Bob. I'm stuck.
Well, Spud, I'll only get you down if you promise never to use my tools again. It's dangerous. You could have hurt yourself.
Oh, sorry, Bob.
Now, can I have my toolbox back, Spud?
Oh, Bob, I am...
It's all right, Bob. I've got it.
Thanks, Lofty. Now you can bring Spud down.
Oh. I think I'll stay a scarecrow from now on. It's safer. Spud the Super Scarecrow!